talking about the recipe, you know, when we cook, we gauge.
Yes. That like hand motion. This is Yewande Komolafe. You are watching Tan TV Tastemakers.
My everyday Lagos is
out October 24th.
I love that. I am a tastemaker because
I love food and I love ingredients. Like a cookbook on Nigerian cooking in this way, in this classic sense, is somewhat new in the cookbook world. I felt like our food doesn't fit into Western structures, and I had to just present it exactly as it was. And the people who would recognize it would recognize it. I know that there's that audience out there. I know there's Nigerians and West Africans in the diaspora and in Nigeria who can understand exactly what I'm saying. I wanted to talk to them directly. And as far as like recipes, how Nigerian are my recipes, I don't know. Like I think that recipes are not static. I feel like recipes are alive. They're living, breathing things. I don't really think of recipes as something that should be unchanging. I think of recipes as not static and always evolving. Even in Lagos, the food evolves, you know? I go back home and they're like, oh, we don't do it like that anymore.